everyone, I'm Robin Lindars and welcome to 30-Minute Meals. I'm here to help you master some simple, everyday weeknight grilling recipes. Trust me, I know how hard it can be to get dinner on the table, especially on a weeknight. But luckily, with the help of some tools and ingredients from Walmart, Kingsford, and Masterbuilt, we'll help you get dinner on the table in no time. Today we're making Italian sausage stuffed zucchini boats on the griddle. Now that I've loaded in my Kingsford with hickory, I'm gonna set my grill to 425. I'm chopping off the ends of this zucchini and slicing it in half and scooping out the inside so I have enough room for stuffing it, essentially creating a zucchini boat. So now that I've got these prepped, let's head over to the grill. And now I'm scooping my Italian sausage mixture into the zucchini boats, which are on the warming rack. And if they fall through the grates, I can just scoop it back up. So now I'm adding mozzarella cheese directly to the zucchini boats, and I'm just gonna close the lid and let the cheese melt, and then we'll be ready to eat. I love how you can taste that hickory flavor in the pork, and I love how this meal came together in under 30 minutes. That's what I call a winning recipe. You can find this recipe and many more simple 30-minute meals you can make right at home on your grill. Shop Walmart for your Gravity Series griddle and Kingsford charcoal. Thanks for tuning in.